Today I have another video of science, and that is human body food we eat. So let's look at the contents. How nutrients are helpful to us, components of food, a balanced diet, avoiding food wastage at store and at home, quiz, 5 question answers of quiz will be given. So please watch the video carefully because there is quiz. How nutrients are useful to us? Nutrients in our body are useful to us in the following ways: to grow, to give us energy to work and play, to fight diseases and stay healthy, to repair damaged body parts. Now let's move to the next part of our chapter, that is components of food. So can you guess the component of food by looking at these pictures? Yes, you are correct. They are carbohydrates. One thing I would love to share with you that carbohydrates are also called carbs. Now what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are the nutrients that provide us the energy to work and play. Food items rich in carbohydrates are called energy-giving food. People, those who do a lot of physical activity, need to include ample carbohydrates. Cereals such as rice, wheat, and maize and vegetables like potato and sweet potato are rich in carbohydrates and contain starch. Now can you guess the next component by looking at these pictures? So let me tell you. This is not butter, this is cheese. This is tofu, that is also called chick in Hindi. This is egg and this is not milk, this is soy milk. Now what are proteins? And they are proteins. So what are proteins? Proteins are nutrients that help our body to grow and repair parts that get damaged due to the wear and tear of the body. Food items rich in proteins are called bodybuilding food. Food items such as soya milk, tofu, pulses, nuts, egg, fish, meat and cheese are rich in proteins. Now can you guess the next component by looking at these pictures? So this is ghee, this is butter and this is sunflower oil. Yes, you're correct. It's fats. Fat is a rich source of energy and an essential part of our diet. Fats also help us to keep warm and keep our skin soft and glowing. Food rich in fats are also called energy-giving food. So remember, carbohydrates and fats are both are called energy-giving food, so don't get confused. Food items such as red meat, ghee, butter, oils, fish and nuts are examples of fat-rich food. Now can you guess the next part of our chapter by looking at this diagram? Yes, it's a balanced diet. Now what is a balanced diet? A diet that contains the required nutrients in the right quantity along with roughage and water is called a balanced diet. This definition should be in mind forever because this is a main definition. So let me tell you the keywords of this definition. The diet that contains the required nutrients, right quantity, roughage and water, balanced diet. Okay, so these things should be in mind. Like you can frame it by yourself. A diet that contains the required nutrients in the right quantity along with roughage and water is called a balanced diet. Now can you guess the next part of our chapter after looking at these jars, these preserved food? Yes, avoiding food wastage at store and at home. So first let's look at store. Shop smart, buy items only if you plan to use them. Buy exactly what you need, do not overbuy. Now let's look at home. Store better. Store dry food items in airtight containers for them to last longer. Take small servings during meals. Take helpings only as much as you can eat. Now let's have the quiz. Answer the following questions. How nutrients are helpful to us? So here you have to tell the pointers. What are carbohydrates? Like if there would be protein, so I would tell proteins are also called bodybuilding food and the definition of proteins. So like that way you have to frame of carbohydrates. Now list the food items rich in protein. If there would be fats, then I would tell the food items rich in proteins are colon and pointers I would write ghee, butter, nuts, ghee, butter, red meat, oil and etc. Define balanced diet. I hope you remember that definition of it. List 2 methods in which you can avoid food wastage at home. Only at home. 2 methods. Like I would tell 2 methods in which you can avoid food wastage at home are colon and the pointers. Now answers. How nutrients are helpful to us? I was thinking of this answer. Nutrients in our body are useful to us in the following ways: to grow, to give us the energy to work and play, to fight diseases and stay healthy, to repair damaged body parts. Just this much. And what are carbohydrates? I told you, like carbohydrates are the nutrients that provide us the energy to work and play. Food items rich in carbohydrate are called energy giving food. So that way. Now more 3 questions. Is the food items rich in proteins? Answer is food items such as soya milk, tofu, pulses, nuts, eggs, fish, meat and cheese are rich in proteins. Like that way. Okay. Define balanced diet. A diet that contains the required nutrients in the right quantity along with sufficient water is called a balanced diet. Now, list 2 methods in which you can avoid food wastage at home. 2 methods in which we can avoid food wastage at home are: store better, store dry food items in airtight containers for them to last longer, take small servings during meals, take helping only as much as you can eat. I hope you have got all answers correct. Thank you everybody. Bye. I'll meet you in my next video.